Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be testing out the new beta eye contact feature that comes with the new version of Descript. Now this has been out for a while, but I haven't really tested it. And the whole purpose of this feature is to keep your eyes focused on the camera. Now when we're reading, looking away, looking at our script, for example, it's distracting to our audience. So what Descript have tried to do is use the magic of AI to keep your eyes tracked and focused firmly on the lens. I'm going to show you a quick experiment. I'm going to record a segment in Descript and then I'm going to play it back in this video and show you the before and after of what it looks like when I'm looking away versus when I'm looking directly in the camera. And let's see if AI magic can fix all that nonsense. So I'm in Descript and I want to check whether the eye contact AI software is going to do better if I'm wearing glasses as opposed to me not wearing any glasses at all. So I recorded two small sections within this and we're going to apply this software to all the clips and I'll show you the results. So effectively, I've just recorded some clips in here where I'm looking away. So here I am. Just babble on a little bit. And I'm going to apply the eye contact software plugin to all of it. And you get to it by clicking on your video and going to Effects, and there's something called Eye Contact Beta. Now you click on this and have to wait. So I'll click on it and it tells me that it's going to apply this now to my recording, and we'll come back in a second when it's finished. So the magical AI is completed, and now let's see what it does with my eyes with regards to wearing glasses and without. And I do remember last time when I tested this, it also changed my eye color from brown to blue. Maybe it assumes that everybody's got blue eyes and that's the only thing it can work out. But let's try it anyway. I'm just going to look into the lens now. I'm going to look away. You can see the image here on the left. I'm clearly looking down at the iPad, and on the right, with Eye Connect enabled, it's not doing a terrible job at trying to make my eyes look as if I'm looking at the lens on the iPad, and then I'm going to look to the right, and I'm going to look further down as well. Now I'm going to do this without my glasses, and I'm going to show you the difference. So I'm looking directly at the camera now, as you would expect, everything is fine. Without my glasses, I think it does a slightly better job. You can see the image on the left, I'm again looking off camera, but on the right, it's doing a much better job at trying to keep my eyes a little bit more central and looking down the lens. The only issue, as you can see, is that my eye color, particularly my right eye color, my right, your left, is blue in the AI corrected image, which is a bit odd. I'm going to look to the right a little bit and off camera looking at my monitor, and then I'm going to look down at the iPad as if you can see the image here on the left. I'm clearly looking down at the iPad, but the image on the right, it's keeping my eyes focused and as if I'm looking down the lens. So I think AI here is doing a pretty good job. If I was reading a script or something like that, or even what would happen if I looked far to the right on my other main monitor here. So again, it looks a bit creepy, but clearly the image on the left, I'm looking off camera, and AI on the right is doing a pretty good job at keeping me focused on the lens. There is a couple of weird twitchy eye movements, especially when I blink, but I guess that's to be expected in this beta version right now. Or even looked over and looked at my little speaker. Let's see what Descript does with this nonsense. So as you can see, it's okay. I mean, it's not the best at the moment. Even if you look way to the right or way to the left, it struggles a little bit. And as I mentioned before, it is for some reason making my eyes look a little more blue than they actually are. But overall, it's not terrible. And I think it's passable if you do glance away to the left or right or down, particularly when you're recording a video. It's an interesting take. I know NVIDIA had this built into their system and showcased that a few months ago, and it looks like a lot of these companies now are putting this eye tracking or eye contact control AI into some of the software. It's beta, it's early stages, it's probably going to get a lot better, And that means maybe we don't need teleprompters anymore if we can just look away all the time and still maintain eye contact with our audience. Interesting concept. Let's see. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video.